Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is November the 14th and I'm using my Mega Scalper trading system. The system uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top here along with these arrows which are called super signal indicator, and of course I have some oscillating indicators down here at the bottom along with my the meter right here, and of course I have my daily trade plan which I'll show in a moment. Now every morning 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer here. Keep in mind you can get in front of the computer at any time, 24 hours a day, and just look at the charts, look at the meter, and you can trade. But I like starting anytime after 6 o'clock in the morning. And then what I do is I'm looking at all the different instruments here along with my daily trade plan. Once I figure out I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. In this situation, wanted to be buying it. Now you'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting either buy or sell alert. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. Analyzes the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. Does some calculations, and within the comments here, it'll either say look for bullish, look for bearish trades, and sometimes it'll say preferred or not enough strength. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you're still struggling. Now, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, now we can get into these trades. First one I did, just to let you know, I bought some, I sold some, took all the trade just after the opening bell. So let's see on this euro dollar, I wanted to be buying it. So we're going to drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything was looking good. The scalper, the daily trade plan, got in at this point. I closed it out as it was hitting the ADR here. Now, the euro dollar pays $10 for each pip. So looking at the money, well, it should be 22. So we're looking for 22, and there it is right there, 22 pips, and that paid out $220. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. This one I wanted to be buying. Drag and drop this up. Again, everything top and bottom was saying to buy, the daily trade plan, the scalper. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here. Being happy, looks like with 36 pips, and that ended up paying out $233. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Another one I wanted to be buying, so we'll drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Same situation, going up. Scalpers blue. Plenty of things on the top and the bottom was telling me it's going to go up. So I took the trade at this point, and it just kept going, and I closed it out. Looks like at a good point, locking in 44. Pips, and those pips paid out $320. Moving along to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Probably you've noticed by now a lot of these trades so far, they've been looking very similar. So another one I bought. Scalper, everything was saying going up, and up it went. There's the super signal. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out. Looks like I closed it out another one at the right time. Locking in 49, and those 49 pips paid out $349. Okay, moving on to the next trade. As you can see, we're getting into the futures. The indexes, they move a lot more and they pay more. So anyhow, let's see, S&P 500 over here. Now this one I wanted to be selling it, and when I pulled the trigger everything top and bottom actually. Everything including the daily trade plan. So I sold it, not looking for a lot, but when you're doing 5, 10 or more trades at a time, you don't need a lot to make a lot. So I took the money, divided it by 5 as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 77. So let's go and look for that 77. There it is right there. 77. You remove the last digit and that ended up paying out $387. Okay, moving on to the next trade. The Russell. Here we go. Russell. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. All the indicators, top and bottom, everything was saying going to go down. Arrow, super signal, daily trade plan, the scalper. So Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 39. So from there to there, 39. It would have been much better to get in back here somewhere. But this is where I saw it. So from there to there should be 39. There it is right there. 39 ticks. Looks like it's still working its way down to the ADR. 39 ticks, and that ended up paying out $390. Moving on to the next one, which is gold. It also pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, easy to see, it should be 60.9. Oh, it's either 60 or 61. But anyhow, let's just drag and drop this up. So from there to there should be around 60. Obviously getting in all the way down here or here would have been a little bit better. Still working its way up. But anyhow, looking for that 60. There it is right there, exactly right on 60.9. I like it nice and even at 60. And that ended up paying out those ticks $609. Moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Again, top and bottom, everything's saying it's going to go down. This is something you have to learn, you know, how the market is moving, price action. By the way, I teach all of these secrets within the training videos. So NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. Took the money divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 47 ticks. So from there to there should be 47. So let's go and look for that 47. There it is right there, 47 ticks. And that ended up paying out $946. So another great day of trading using my Mega Scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came to 374 pips and ticks. And all of that ended up paying out, as you can see, $3,455. So if your system's not producing like my Mega Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. So, if you have any questions, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. And that's easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video in the description. Click on it. There will be another window that pops up with my contact information with a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I do answer the phone, and in more than 20 years of trading, I found it very, very difficult to talk to the person who is selling the system and actually trading the system. So, and that's, I always recommend, if you can talk to the person, it'll be better for you. At least you can get your questions answered. In other words, you're going to need some kind of support, and without support, you're probably still going to struggle with your trading. Remember, you'll be needing a lot of education also, and there's 5 things that you're going to need to succeed. And again, look right below this video and you'll see what those 5 different things are. And everything I'm talking about, I can answer whatever questions you may have. As I said, pick up the phone and call me. If you can't do that, send me an email. Now I do prefer to talk live, so I made a link with Skype. All you got to do is click on it, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, if you have a computer, laptop, even a cell phone, whatever, you have Skype. Just click on the link. We'll have a Skype connection. At that point, I should be able to answer most of your questions. And as I mentioned, you will need a lot of education, and that's why you'll see 4 different packages below here. I do charge $250 for each package. Made a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.